All right, it is Monday. Our account is basically at 50K, so we are at square one. It's been a rough couple weeks trading. Hopefully this week it's a little bit better. It is 4:24. It's the earliest I ever traded, so I want to see if I can get a nice trade five before like 5:30 or 6. That'd be nice. But we'll see what we can get. We have news, I think, at 5:30. It's an orange folder, so I'm not sure how much an effect it's gonna have. But let's see what we got. NQ, we got a demand zone right here from London session. Yes, there's another one also right here. Mm. 15-minute demand zone down here. And then this 5-minute one is kind of attached to a 15-minute. So I think I'm going to just mark off the 15-minute one like that. There's a 1-hour demand zone down here as well. Not going to mark that off, just going to mark off the 15-minute ones. Let's look at ES as well. All right, then gold. Gold looks like we are bearish. Could be heading down to this 1-hour demand zone on gold. I see the supply zone right here. Could potentially take that. And we kind of have a demand zone right here. Even though we're under the 200 EMA, we were in a downward trend, and now this demand push has broken structure, has broken these previous highs. So it looks like the trend might be changing. So if it comes back down here, I could expect it for it to go back up. If it does come back there, I'm not sure. But if it touches this supply zone, we can get in here too. Oops. All right. Now I guess wait and see. The gold is tapped into this 15-minute demand zone and is rejecting off it nicely. Looks like a nice trade opportunity right here. Like golden ES is making a new demand zone right here. This candle is breaking these highs. Oof. Gold looks like it's having a nice, big, strong spike down. So I'm not sure about this one right now. Oh,
Order canceled.
So I'm iffy about this trade. Not showing a lot of strength to go back up. And we are under the 200 EMA, so a little iffy. You know, look at these setups on NQ and ES. NQ has broken these highs. And this is a 15-minute demand zone. So if it taps into here, we could look to trade here. Ooh, look at gold. If gold keeps pushing here, I would like to see it breaking these lows, which would leave a supply zone right here, which we could target. But we'll see if it reacts off this demand zone. It does look like it's going to just push through though. But we need to see it break these lows. Otherwise, we're not going to target this supply zone. Yep, looks like we're going to push through here. This demand zone did not hold. Which doesn't surprise me because we're under the 200 EMA. Overall, we're bearish. I think we can delete this one. We got a 5-minute supply zone and a 15-minute supply zone up here. We could see if we can get a reaction off of either of those. Don't have a breakup structure yet. We do have like a level of support right here. So it may not break through here. It might go back up right here, honestly. I would like to see it break through this support level, but it's rejecting off of it. And it's pushing back up. So gold is tapped finally. It took forever. This zone, not that confident in taking it because this push did not break these lows. Rejected off this support level. It is rejecting off this zone. It is going with the trend. I don't know. I don't know. I might be okay with missing it. I mean, we'll see. So if I do enter here, it's just going to target. TP would be at these lows. May keep going down, but I would only hold it to right here. ES and NQ are just been pushing up for a long time. See if gold keeps pushing down here or if it keeps going up. Keeps going up because it bounced off support here. I'd be more confident in taking this supply zone up here if it does continue up. Look at this one candle demand zone right here. This could work too. Yeah, looks like gold's gonna keep pushing up right here. Yeah, some promise on gold here. No candles closing the zone. All right, this will be a really quick scalp, only 22 ticks. If it wins, let's see. Maybe just be targeting these previous lows. I think it could get to. Very nice. Come on, gold. Don't do that to me.
Order
I'm just
filled.
gonna close it. That's a crazy rejection right there. Oh my god. We're on a crazy losing streak. We're underneath. We're, oh my god, bro. And it's going back down now. I can't win, man. I can't win. Oh, now it's going back down. Literally right after I close it, it goes back down. Right after. Wow. Gold. It freaking just won. Okay, well, looks like ES and NQ have both tapped. Well, NQ has tapped into the zone. ES not quite yet. This gives me an entry. This will be the last trade I take. Still pissed about this gold trade. Like, man, I was gonna hold it, but like the last few trades that I hold for such a long time end up losing anyways. So I figured this huge rejection right here came all the way down to like 18 ticks, rejected back up. Like, the only reason it would do that is if it's going back up. And then the very next candle it pushes back up to my supply zone and then just blasts down. Would have hit my TP. God, man, it's like the market knows like what I'm gonna do next. If I'm gonna close, it pushes back down. If I hold, it doesn't do shit. It's like no matter what I do, I don't win. It's very frustrating. Looks like we're gonna keep pushing down. I've been waiting for it to change direction. Man, are we at resistance? Yep, we're at resistance. Push back down to the zone. And then that'll give us a nice entry. Zone's invalidated. Yeah, gold's just chopping around. So on ES, price is still in my demand zone. We have candle closures in the zone, but no candles closed past it. We do have this crazy doji candle. And it was pushing up. But it looks like it's pushing back down. I would like to see price come back to this 15-minute demand zone. God, I just need a win. I've had such a long losing streak. This will be a really quick scalp. It won't be a big win. It'll be like less than 200 bucks, but that's okay. If it wins. It's already pushing back down. God, look at that. Two crazy doji candles in a row. Oh boy. I should not have gone into that trade. Fucking look at these candles, three in a row. Three little crazy small candles. God, I should have just waited for it to come down to this zone. Today was an absolute shit day. Price action right here on ES was kind of trash. I shouldn't have entered to begin with, to be honest. I just saw the push up, broke that candle, and I got in. But candle closures inside my zone, several of them. Wasn't an A plus setup. Shouldn't have taken it. This gold trade, it literally won. But this fat rejection candle made me get out. Because why would it push down and reject back up for it to only go back down and win in the very next candle? Really trying to stay positive, really trying to trust the process, keep going. But man, when the losses are so frequent, back to back to back, it's so hard to stay positive.